Okay, atasan ng Curtis, yung pinalo ng selections. At ang pinakahintay ko natin, ang Maxim! Okay, number 15, The Reaper! Bumaba na, The Reaper, 15. Number 13, JJ Garcia. 0, Ranzel. Number 24, Sakuragi. Number 1, RT Di Castro. Number 0, CJ Pena. Number 7, Carlo Velasco. Number 27, Joshua Redman. Number 0, Marcoy Axus. Number 10, Ned De La Cruz. Number 18, Ricardo Vilches. And number 12, Maverick Bautista.
Mataas kamalan.
Okay, the ceremonial toss. We request our beloved Mayor Ramon Ronaldinho, Vice Mayor Brian Balangin,
Ayun.
the councilors, Councilor Kelly De Los Santos, Councilors Bella Gires, Councilor Monet Baybayan, Councilor Madam Malamis, and SK President Christopher Manuela. And our provincial sports consultant, Mr. Leo Anais.
Alam niya naman. Hindi nakakabakuan ka ba?
Lagi naman ako magbago.
Okay, let's give him a big applause. Okay, start of the game. First five. Okay, first five for the Pinalinan selection. Number 15, Edward Gabia. Number 6, Julius Salazar. Number 4, Rodel Renon. Number 24, Tinder De La Torre. And number 22, Mark Ancheta. And for the Max team, first five, we have number 7, Carlo Velasco. Number 27, Joshua Redden. Number 10, Ned De La Cruz. Number 18, Richard Dulces. And number 12, Maverick Bautista. Okay, before we start, we have the ceremonial toss, and we will bless our beloved Mayor and his company, Vice Mayor, and councilors. Yes, ceremonial toss po. Hello, okay. Announcement po sa mga nanonood po. Huwag muna po tayong mag-live sa Facebook page po, nasa Facebook po. Yun po ang link. Bawal mag-live. Busy lang, okay lang. After the game, pwede na siguro. Okay. Start of the game. Bangga. And selection 4. Pinalanan. Number 24, Anseta. Behind Rasta number 7. Pinalanan. Well on. Nice job to number 18. Number 18. Number 7, singular play. Nice play. Number 18. Ancheta. To number 6. Back to Ancheta. Still number 7. Pass the play. Nabitawan yung bola. Wala lang selection. Ancheta bring up the ball for the selections. Number 6, Kalisar. Tagalo, Porsica, umipit. Ang dadalapit, hindi lang na ipasok. Ayun, number 7, still by Gagwa. Reza. Number 24, Ancheta. Binigay kay Ancheta, Benazar.
Uy, Eliazar!
Pagbilang Torres.
Go, Eliazar!
Renan, that is Ned De La Cruz. Ayaw na sila ako makakit. Number 7, that is Velasco. Number 18, step back 3, short.
Sinong visitor?
Selection 4.
Siyempre, naka-white.
Ay siya daming binigay kay De La Torre. De La Torre, still. To Rizal. Tumira ng fence. Number 6, Rizal. 3.
Ay, wag doon.
Number 7, bring up the ball for the Mavs team. That's Velasco. Roque, Mavs. Ay, ganda lang ikot ng bola. Number 7, and a foul. Foul number 24. Push foul number 24. Number 7, Velasco will be given 2 free throws. First free throw by Velasco is good. Seven free throw. Coming up. 2 out of 2 for Velasco. Ancheta for the selection. To the right. And number 2, De La Torre, short kick, in and out. Rebound by number 27, that's Roque, Johnson. Number 7, Velasco. To Roque. To Moms. Number 10, for the free throw. That is De La Cruz. Another possession for the selections. Mike Ancheta. Binigay ka ng Charles. Back to Ancheta. Again, it is on for 3. Esa. Sweet shooting. Esa. Box. Chambers, number, we know. Getting the rebound. Number 2. And, ito po, ayun po. Wala tayo, ganyan mo yun, nabitawan yung bola. Ayun, binigay ka number 15. That's right. Number 18. Moches. Back to number 18. Naghahanap na napapasaan. Ilasco to number 10. Elapis. Acheta. To Director. Back to Acheta. Signal Mahoy. Almost still. Confronted by number 7. Ilasco. To the number 10. Short. Smile single. Number 15. Smile. Number 7. Ilasco. For 3. Raul. Nakuha ng rebound. Binigyan ka ng bunches. To Ilasco. Hanging na din. No good. Number 18. For the punta. Ang tangkad po ni bunches. Richard. Esa, to Director. Director drive. Oh, blocked by Benches. Binigay ka number 10, De La Cruz. Benches. Nako. 2 points for the Mavs team. 14-10 in favor of Mavs team. 4 minutes 54 seconds. Wala po, hindi pa pumasok yung 3, 6. And Sean. Matete, back to Mavs. To Velasco. That's number 27, Rocky, Warren. Number 10, De La Cruz, fakes, ang ganda, fadeaway shot, in and out. De La Pere. Being harassed by number 7, that's De La Cruz. Ancheta. Black. Foul number 27, blocking foul. Substitution. Substitution din po dito sa selections. Another substitution for the Mavs team. Rosary, Velasco. America, saka. So, selection. Renault, number 7. Bravo. Wala na po. Dito, Director. Renault, baseline pass. And Sembol. Pasas ng Mavs team. Dito, Fredrigo. Alabot rebound by number 18, Benches. Mavs. Wow. Snap. 18, Sergio, Nagul, rebound by number 30. And a back pass for Garcia. Pinalaran, ball, selection. Masar. Director. And back driven by Director. Turnover selections. Ayan, magbibigay ng mga highlights. Number 15. Number 30, Garcia. 14, Nolun. Renault, getting the loose ball. And the side, passing play to number 12.
Dami ka na.
14-12, 2-point lead by Mavs team. Mavs, 14. And 2 points. Renault. And a server play.
Pilit ang kamay mo.
And loose ball. Substitution. Raining.
Yan talaga pag-hot.
Favor of Benches. Talaga. Number 2. 40, Garcia. The mouse. From Japan, rebound by Leon. Oh, steal by number 13, Garcia. To mouse. Tumira ng best. Umalahas. Rebound by Belatore. Rebound by Divo. Back pass. Still by Louis Maxi. Garcia. Divo. Limit pass to number 10. That's the Cruz. Here's our short jumper is no good. Binigay now. Another three. Mahmoud Garcia. Will be put back. And foul number 21. Timeout. Pinoy selections. Maraming salamat po. Get back to the podium. First move by Garcia. Stop. Second free throw by Garcia. Still out. We have by number 7. We have by Ancheta. Ancheta to Dico. And the foul. Foul number 11. Returning is Renan to Renan. Ancheta. Back to Renan. Baseline drive. Block. To the side. Going to lose ball. Ancheta for 3. Ancheta 3 points. Garcia. To the Maxi. To Mobs. Mobs. Nasa kanilap by 6. Nice play. Nice play by Garcia. In and out. 20 balls. Malakas yung tira. LSR. Nasa video mo sa likod. Pass me play. During one pass play. Number 8. Ang sarap na! Ancheta! Back basket by Ancheta! Ay! Back pass by Mount! Hindi ba ka? Dito, Wahid. Nahal mo rin. Kaya sa mga halak ka. Business? Okay, an easy layup by number 21. Akala ko, highlight na naman. Ancheta, binigay ka rin sa Dito. Dito, nabitawan yung bola. Binigay kay Mark. Running the basket, score is 24-17. A 7-point by Mark Steve. Mark Steve, check. Remember the play? By Paul Garcia. You said that number 19 Garcia. Pinakaya. To number 15, short. Rebound by Knox. Binigay kay Paul. Number 8. Follow the highlights. Niagara's line. Kumabuli Pinatore for the selections. Almost to by Garcia. And what an embrace Garcia. Ayun na. March. Pinatore. Oh! Easy basket. Ryan Mamsi. 2-in-1 pass break. Pinatore. Tulinon. Ulang. Tumasan. Marsan. Nabitawan ni bola. Garcia. Still. Nasa kanila pa rin yung bola. Roy Portly. Roy Rebound Garcia. Pass break. Rangga. Pentik na yung bola. Buti na lang. May pasok. Garcia to mount. Four. Garcia for three. Malalas. Marcel jalan na rebound. Again. Ang ganda ng hawak si Garcia. Ayun! Ang kinailangan talaga. Mavs pa Garcia. Ano yung Yusuf? Wala. Ay napunta kay Garcia. I would like to acknowledge the area of our beloved California. Professor Ligaspi. Good afternoon, sir. Another shot by the selectors.
Hindi kasi, alam ni Crystal yun. Basta. Sama ka?
Again. Garcia. Binigay kay Paul Moy. Napahayas, napag-3 point. Ayaw ito si Paul. Subdivision. Well, we would like to acknowledge also our beloved counselor, Councilor Pataran Araganas. Araganas. Sorry mo. Okay, basket for the Mamsi. Yan, pinatay. Ngayon, sinilas ko na sa harap niya. Bintik ay bintik, Marsan. Kabari, and then down. Foul number 0. That is Rancel or okay, that's Rancel. Pumasok yung pagong feature. Second feature. Wala pa, hindi pa pumasok. Hey! What? Intercepted tayo noon. Ayun na, si Dilatore. Binigay tayo ng bibigil, Ilayo, Dilatore. Mukhang nahirapan si Dilatore. Yun? Ang ganda na lang, yun! That's yun!
Toby, kasama. Ay, hindi. O, dito ka muna siya din, ha? Bibili lang kami. Sama mo muna si Toby. Toby and Joy.
Nabuhan, or
Toby.
So, Velasco.
Toby, iwan ko lang sa inyo.
Velasco, Rancel, wala. Hindi pa rin si Velasco. Umite. Yan! Rancel!
Ay, Toby!
Correct. Bago bakit ay foul.
Toby!
Foul number 21, substitution. Do not out. 8 is in the charge. So, the foul was in the act of shooting. They had 2 free throws left. Number 15, wala po. Number 15, Ilayo, shoot. Ayan, para si Nicole, kaya nakapas. Hindi nakasa ni Rachel. Ayan na, hatitawan ni Paul. Gatiga, Masan. Velasco. Paul. Paul Simmons shoot. Shoot. Hanggang siya. Yes. So Ligana. Substitution. Velasco. Number 10. Putra Paul Paul. Kartu number 10. Baru 9 terus. Number 10. And foul. Basket. Foul number 10. Pushing foul. Pumasok na yung press at may isang Quinto, bonus Quinto. Ang bibigay ka ng number 10. Yan po si Ned de la Cruz. Bonus Quinto ba yun?
Yung sinabi kanina, team game play. Team game play.
Balas, Marino Garcia, block by Lazar. Ginagay. To Lazar. Lazar, Sir Jerry, no good. Nakuha mo yung English niya. Wala good ka. Listen to points for Lazar. Number 10. Binigay kay Paul Paul. Number 8. Number 1. Tapos Arvin Castro. Paul Paul 3. No good. Uwibang kay number 1-0. Rancel. Paul Paul. Velasco drives. Nakuha niya isa yung bola. Ay naka-race team by Mouse team. Sergio. Ay foul. Ay nakikita pula. Substitution. Dilatore, Primo Lancheta. Oh, nice play. Hindi naman napasok niya. Wala, hindi nila Sam. Melissa, Pugagua, drives. Pwede na ang matangkad. And, back pass. And yung selection. Kaya tayo yung pinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagpinagp Jasmine Lagos. Pamilot. Elsa. Oh, wow. Ang pinasok. Ayun. Elsa, pinasuka. Velasco. Paul. Tumira ng press. Malakas. Elsa. Number 15, still. Hindi pa rin nakuha. Number 8. Milagros for 3. Milagros, 3 points. 49-28. 21-20 by Marcin. 1 minute and 28 seconds for the second quarter. Bravo post up. And foul. Foul number 1. Substitution. Early foul number 1. Again, number 8. Ang Casino. Kulanita. Round 19. Velasco. Nakawala. Sarso. Nice slide by number 7. That's Velasco. Back to play. Nico. Rasa sa Manalsi. Nico. Ito po yung isa pa team. It's hard 3 points. Velasco. To play ball. Looking for speaker. Ginawa kay Velasco. Velasco takes. Turn on top. Rolling. And goes number 10. Milagros. Nico. Binigay kay Elsa. Franchetta. Franchetta for 3. Malakas. Rila. Pwede naman.
Lumabas ka na. Joke lang yun. Hindi pa nga. Half time ba? Half time. Tara.
Hindi mala na.
Tara kain. Oo pa na.
The first one, Gatero to Nico. The seven, no. And it out to bounce to number 10, that's Ned Milagros. Binigay kay Velasco.
Yung pa yun.
Milagros. And 2.
Ano kakain na kayo? Kasama na ito. Uwi na daw. Malayo kasi bahay na. 30 ka. Wala naman sasabihin. Wala, secret lang yung secret.
Ibang naman.
Natalie!
Natalie! Velas! Velasco, Mikot. Up to Max. Ito din ang press. Pasok! And 3 balls.
Gagawin mo yung DVD. Wala naman gagawa.
Elsa. Elsa. Bravo.
Fan lang ako nito.
De La Cruz. Malakas. Uy, nalahatak ni Bouncy Bounce. Bilang ay pasok. Ito lakas. Johnson. Wala po. November 5. Dito na makakabalik. Nabitawan yung bola. Renan. Inside. Labas. And shooting on. Ito. Points for Renan. And by 24 miles in and out. Darling, that's it. Good job. Pero nakuha kami ng rebound. Binigay kay Vico. Baseline shot is good. Vico, 3 points. Number 10, malakas yung tira. Rebound na rin siya. Binigay kay De La Torre. Renan. Oh, 2 points by Renan. Renan for 3. Ayan, third quarter pa lang daw. Miles. Velasco. Still by De La Torre. Binigay kay Rizal. And last touch on number 18. Bolters, Charlie. Substitution. Let's go out. Alex Garcia. De La Torre, baseline jumper, malakas. Rebound by Bobs. Garcia. Still by Renan. Rodea. Side 6. Not by Bow. Ball number 13. Substitution. De La Torre. Renan first, no good. Second free throw by Renan. Still out, ikaw may number 18. Binigay ka number 13, Garcia rather. Number 10, De La Cruz. Still by Renan. Foul number 27, pushing foul. That is Jason Roper. Two fingers. Binigay kay Renan. First free throw by Renan. Ayun, pumasok na po. Second free throw. Renan. De La Cruz. Good defense by the selections. Pero sa kanila kanin yung possession. Locking body for the Mavs team. Nakuha yung play ng Mavs team. And 3 points. 1127. Hurt. Nakuha ni Rinon, number 7. Go diretso. Short. Kaya. Binigay kay Richard. Nice pass. Hindi lang nakuha ni Larsia ang pasa. Substitution. Substitution. Timeout! Mopsy! We started at 59-45, down to 14 point. 4 minutes and 45 seconds for the third quarter. Mutual Legaspi and SP President Christopher Gabriela. Number 6, Acheta. Loose ball. Nakuha ni Mobs. Binigay kay Garcia. Tupoy-poy! Tulicha! Easy play, easy basket. Easy points for the Mobs team. Rizal. Rinon. Rinon with the number 18, Richard. Then, number 6, Richard. Binigay ng best. Mahal. Rebound by Richard. Binigay kay Garcia. Tupoy-poy! Oh! Ito ng highlight shot. Nice play. Garcia and Poy-Poy. Ancheta for the selection. Binigay kay Rico. Rinon again, baseline. Naghanap ng papasan. Binigay kay Charles. Stay broken. Nabitawan yung bola. Binigay kay Rico. Rico drives. Malakas yung layup. Mobs. Wow, what a nice layup from the 18. Timeout! Villaronan selection. Ancheta for 3. No good. Ancheta, Rinon for 3. Short. Bravo, ha? Binigay kay Rinon. Pass. Intercepted by Mobs. And that's a point. To Richard. Easy basket. Number 7. And layup by Poy-Poy. Nakayulo po ang Mobs team. Mobs. So, taken by 18, good rebound by Ancheta. Binigay kay Rinon. And a foul. Foul number 18. Substitution. Substitution by Rinon. Malakas. Foul number 4. Substitution. Garcia. Pasa, ganda naman. Ancheta. Almost, team. Ancheta for the selections. Ramos, Jumper, no good. Ancheta getting the rebound. And Jumper, no good. Binigay Garcia. A nice pass by Garcia. Ang pagkakabigay. 1 minute 7 seconds. Oh, loose ball. Another pass break. Miles. Wow. Foul. Foul number 18. Garcia, pangatake, Pat Belon, ang foul. Foul number 30, Garcia. Rebound by Ron. Hindi by Cheta, steal by Maxi. Oh! Nabikinan. Yan na naman. Uy, handa. No good. Max. Ang mas kasama ng gusto. Okay. Isang buwan na lang po. Back to the ball game. They're a fourth and final quarter. Malaki ang habali ng team selection ng Pinalunan. First ball pass. House. Pinagay ka number 1. Tumira si Poy, malakas. Hindi ba number 11? Binigay ka nila Torre. After play, LSR. Hindi ba sa reverse, ha? Number 1. RBD Castro. One ball. Tumira ng press. Pasok. Modern selection. Right pass. Regulator. Bautista. Nice and one. Wow, number. Oh, 0. Bonus Vito. Masang Vito, binigyan Vito. Completes the three-point prayer. Mouse. Romanski. Ang ganda. Hindi lang gol. Pero kanala pa rin yung bola. 10 seconds to shoot. I read that. Marcel getting the With 2 points for Team Mavs. Minatore. Isa, back to Minatore. Tumira ng press. Short. Tumira ng press. Short. Kaya, buti na, under si Richard. Bola ng Masi. Number 1, Ivy. That's for Mavs. A 4-point. Mavs. Ulit. Ang pagmasahan. At the foul. Ang ball dito. Pagmasahan nun sa 20. Ay, ang ganda ng play. Lock by Minatore. Ayan, siniguro na. 5 points. Mavs. Binigay tayo 5 points. Tumira ng press. Basket. Isa, binigay ng press. Pasok. Yes sir, 3 points. Mavs, bumper pass. 14. In out. Rebound line. May foul. Number 11. Sorry. Malakas, ilang lumasan. Sumunod. Ilan. Dalawang nandun. Ilan ko na gawin. 14. Wala pa rin. Masan. Lock.
Picture tayo, kahit yan bukoy lang.
Dito, 14. Masan. Kumakalawa. 5 points. Nice kick out. Number 1, Ivy. Malakas. Pero sa kanila pa rin. Sa Kurati. Short. Tusen. Ayan, ito Masan. Minatore, short jumper, no good. Pinabot niya. Last time on blue. Sarti Tusen. Ito niya, ito yung mga pancheta. The Kuraki high pass. Zero. Ranzel. Rinon. Kita ng ball. Still, di ba ito yung lima ay layup. Pero bad pass by Maxim. Rinon Spilky. Pagkita. Rinon, atake. Binigay kay Anari Rinon. Passer. Backdoor. Number 4. Rodel Rinon. Good rebounds. Sancheta. From the side. For three. Next five. Once again. Step back three. In and out. Parang isa lang. Nakitawan nila sa yung bola. Another one. Ganya. 0. Isa lang. Isa rin daw. Ayun daw pa yun. Sinasawalan. Point for three. Wala po. And wala the number 1. That's Harvey. Castro. Last finish. Masal, ikot. That's good. That's not. Malakas na tira ni Ali Castro. Rinon. Ini Masal. Malakas. Ano si Masal? Then Masal. Awak kay Masal. Masal. Highlights!